the big boat?
The
No,
new mooring. New mooring.
New mooring for the new boat, no?
Yeah.
It's the same place where the horseshoe is there as of now.
No, we are shifting.
This side is that one. Near to that, opposite to the R&D.
That is temporary.
Temporary. It is
Then what happens? Temporary means what happens to
horseshoe?
What is the next step?
What is the
Temporary
permanent
agent for some
location?
days, some months?
Yeah, some months.
Yeah.
Then-
So what duration have you given them?
Around April.
And what happens after April?
After April, they may have to shift, go back to this position which I have given. At present, because of this arrangement, they will not put the moorings over there. It is given.
So as per you, the place what they have, you have given them now will be shifted outside collectorate's office.
Yeah, where the dolphin is.
So this will be shifted there again.
There.
And
This is what is the arrangement I have given.
In April 30th, you are saying there will be 7 casinos in India.
No,
No.
no.
One of them is going to
One
go,
is
but
going
you are
out
giving 10
today.
casinos.
Going out from here.
So
But on a
Okay,
larger-
now see.
And how about this letter this Race Magus have given it to you? Race Magus Panchayat letter. So you haven't replied to they are objecting for that.
I already replied to this.
No, 112 meters ship what you are going to get there. People have objected that also, no? So that you haven't taken any
That has
consideration.
already been decided by the government. Okay, they have to take it to the
But then
government.
as a captain you say you
Yeah.
are
But
citizen centric also.
No. That's not there.
Unless you are not part of the government.
Huh?
Unless you are not part of the government.
See, I am working.
No, my straight question to you.
But I have a
Let us
concern.
one at a time.
What you are hurling question? That one.
No, one at a time, one at a time.
One at a time.
My simple question is, these objections what Gram Sabha
They had given one letter before,
Yeah.
and I have replied to that letter saying that this is the new arrangement which is given.
I am at a
Okay.
copy to be made, but I haven't received anything. I am from Race Magus.
No, we send it to the Sarpach. We have a copy also.
Yeah, please, can you?
Later on, I'll give it to you.
No,
Not now.
inform now only so
No,
that
no,
they
no,
can
not
get
now
it.
because the file is not there here.
What is the draft of the?
What can we?
One second.
One at a
Draft
time.
is the same. That it is. We have. This board will be coming over here. That's all. Nothing else.
So-
There's no change in anything on that.
Our question is, now this is a small boat, and
Yeah, it's a big boat
and
now,
now a big one is coming, and we have objection to the smaller boat being replaced by a bigger boat, and so we do not want the big boat to come into the river at all. That is our demand.
So very simply to tell you, so either you are lying to us or the government is lying to both of us. And the issue is that government is lying. Okay, and he asked to me, Ponje, one second, let us finish. Please let us
Let him talk now. Wait, my shoulder.
Ponjekaraचे तुम्ही पासियस आता पिट्यार केला. We have been very patient. We suffer the consequences of the land operations of these boats. Our river suffers the consequences of the operations of these boats. Okay, there are two lies that the government is giving us. One is you're saying that we are not bringing in a new casino. There's only 6 casinos. But can you take a Maruti 800 license and operate a bus with the same license? Does not make any sense, no? You cannot say that no, I'm not bringing a new car, but you're
And the
getting
capacity has
you're getting a
increased.
54. Let me complete. Actually, we let you complete. You're allowing a 54-seater operation on the license of a 4-seater, 5-seater operation. Okay, that is one point. That is the first big lie. Second lie, from the beginning, government is telling us that the old boats that were there, they were not seaworthy. That is why we have to move them to the river. Even your offshore license is supposed to have them in the sea, not in the river. Okay, you all can change whatever laws you want. We'll change those laws back. But you cannot give us this lie. This new boat which is coming, it is a new boat. It has an engine. It is seaworthy. Take it out to the sea. We don't want this boat in the river. We are being very clear. There is simply no scope for negotiation also. We are being very clear. Amka ani ye casino punji naka. तुमका आम्ही बॉट दिले तुम्ही आमचा हात खोपाचं ट्राय केले. We are going to stop this now and for all. So we are being very clear. This boat, new boat, is not coming into the river.
We oppose shifting of the old
If you
boat.
want,
No. What you have to do?
and over the next 6 months, I would like you to cooperate with us and tell the government back that people are opposing it. I cannot give any more permissions for any more boats. And even the boats that are there, the 6, those also have to go out in 6
So
months.
you have to convey
We have
our
enough is
views.
enough now. Puro झाले.
You are an authority,
Yes.
so people have come
Whatever
to
is your
you.
views, madam, I will convey.
Convey
It's
to
not-
the
I will convey
government.
to the government.
Yes.
The decision is final. I am just a servant.
Yes.
If the boat comes inside, I have to make sure it is safe. If it don't
No,
come
no,
inside, I
no,
have
no,
I'm telling you, if it is not coming inside, I'm very good.
Why you are allowing to come
Yeah, but then you put a remark.
No. I cannot put any remark like that. If it is having all the documents, I cannot. It's a central law. I have to face this thing, go to the court, because they'll file a case against me.
So,
What is the
we
document?
will take legal
Tomorrow, if
action
there is
on
any
that.
mishap, and there will be, your signature will be on there. See what has happened to that Sarpanch in Arpora. Okay, he did illegalities, but he didn't do it by himself. Everybody was involved, from people below him right up to the minister level.
Sir, I'll just explain to you.
So when you say that you're, as a servant, remember you will also be the scapegoat when things go wrong. If there is a fire in one of these casinos, what is your plan?
See,
What is the plan? This new boat is going to accommodate at least 2,000 to 3,000 people at a time. Exactly. So if that boat goes up in flame, they'll catch you. Be very clear about that.
let me answer. Now see, whenever a boat is given a service certificate to operate, okay, a fitness certificate is also based on many criteria. What are the criteria? They have every possible license. Like suppose firefighting. Okay, firefighting, the whole system has to be approved. Fire detection system, firefighting system, then life-saving appliances, everything has to be there. If it is not there, it's
But let's not discuss the safety.
Yeah, no, because I want to tell you this. Now, if there is a fire in one thing, these boats, because it is under IRS, okay, classification society, it is isolated into zones, and all boats which are being built has to be isolated into zones, zone 1, zone 2, zone. So if there is a fire here, there will be a certain a full barrier which will fall down and will close that area. This is all is there in the system.
That sounds
Yeah.
very nice
Yes,
to hear.
yeah,
Mr.
but
Rodriguez.
I'm
Let-
actually, because you asked me this question.
Okay, and that point is irrelevant, but I'll just
No,
continue in
not
one way.
irrelevant. Yes.
The Arpora fire, 25 people died. The CM himself has said out of those 25, only 2 died by fire. 23 died by smoke inhalation.
Yes.
So you can have all the best fire equipment in the world that will stop the fire. It will not stop the smoke. It will create more smoke. And you see any of those casino boats, there is not a single window. Those are sealed. I don't know what the hell you're doing in there, but you don't want people to see what is going on in there. And that is going to kill everybody inside. You can put your zones, firefighting equipment. But people are going to die, and you will be responsible. And that point is still irrelevant. We are again coming back to our main point.
Main point,
We don't
yeah.
want casinos in the river
Yeah,
Mandali.
and so as you said that there are 5 boats you are saying. You're not talking of 6 boats, but 5 this side and 1 that side. But you all are increasing the capacity. That is the main thing. So technically, you're saying it's 5, 6, but it is like double, triple the capacity. So that means you're adding more. So we do not want. We want the casinos to be out, and you all are adding the casinos. Indirectly. So we will take it up with the government, but we have come to
What
you.
is the schedule for
responsible for
this
the
big casino?
CM?
What is the schedule?
The schedule is, this one will be moving.
When, sir?
One is out from out. I think it's already must have gone out.
What is the name?
That this one will come out. That moving in the main one will be somewhere in March, end March or something. That is
Sir,
what I am.
It is not moving in. We are being very clear about it. We'll take
We
it to
will
whatever
not allow
level.
to
We are going to go to court. We are going to do agitation on the river. We will do whatever it takes. I will swim out and stop that boat. All those jellyfish that have come there because of all the sewage you're leaving, I'll be bitten by those. Something happens to me, you are responsible. We will do whatever it takes to stop this boat.
You're putting people's life at stake. All the fishing community will die because of that
And the
112
children are
years.
swimming in the river and they are inhaling. You see the sewage that is there. Yeah, I bought fish from that river. Open the gills. It's stinking. You can't eat. I had to throw it out. Okay,
Pollution
so
count is very high.
very high. So it is not just the boat. They are causing pollution. So they are causing traffic jam. The effect of the casinos is so bad. And as we have to, as authority, we have to be responsible because this is a living river and this cannot be a marina. You can't permanently halt the boats in the river. and every 6 months the government said it was going to, license is only 6 months, then they renew. For years now they are renewing license. Somewhere this has to stop, because this can't be a permanent parking place for the casinos.
It's become a playground for the rich and famous casinos
I also want
all
to
over
place
the world.
on record that we will not allow your horseshoe to be shifted here because it affects the residents of Shantome and Konkan on this side. We will be affected. That's the only place of open river left now in the city.
It
You cannot
affects
bring a boat
the
in
entire
part.
Panjim and all of Goans are also against this.
Yeah.
What I am saying is, this is a new boat. It is seaworthy, no? Since it is seaworthy, it should not come at all in the river. It should be parked outside. It should not receive any entry in.
Every
So
seaworthy
we
vessel
have
should be
come
taken
to
out.
give you a very clear message. We are not allowing that boat. If you allow, it is at your own risk. Anybody else, anything else to
No,
say?
and
What
please
you all have to
tell the
just
government-
say
We will
So
take
who
it
do you
up.
think is the sole
But
responsible for
we
this?
want to take everybody along with us to convince the government, whether they are citizens, whether they are people in authority, whoever is responsible and can assist in the process. It is not one person's, demand. It is demand of everybody. So
Of
we
Goa.
want of Goa. So we want
Sir,
this
at the
issue to be
moment-
taken.
At the moment, we cannot enter our own residence. The parking of the staff of the casinos, our entire Santome, we cannot enter. We cannot enter our own house. The fire brigade cannot come there. The lanes are all choked. All 24/7. Even if we ask something to them to come to my own house where I grew up as a child, they come to fight with us. To Konkani, we have lived there for generations.
You are giving more importance to gamblers than to citizens. That is the thing.
Why are
citizens come first? Why are
Something else, but your action says something else also.
Gamblers come first, then the gamblers.
You should behave like a captain of boats, not a promoter of gamblers.
Right.
Do you agree the
Right now
citizens
you are a
come
promoter of
first?
gambling dens.
Our city
Yes.
is becoming.
Right now you become a promoter of gambling dens. Be act like a captain of boats.
Becoming a captain of casinos.
Sir,
Yeah.
Exactly.
Right.
sir, do you agree?
you
come first.
You say a lot of things.
No, basically.
Please go by a mandate, please go by an appointment letter, what you are supposed to do, and stop these boats.
That's
Okay?
what
That's
we are
our request.
requesting. Use
Go
all
by
the
the law.
powers that you have to support the cause of the people. That is what we are saying. We are going to every authority. We are requesting them, whatever is in your powers, please take a stand and do not allow the casinos to be used.
Stand
That's
by
all
us,
we are
your
saying.
brethren.
Yeah, that is
When
what
is this
we are
horseshoe shifting
Very
happening?
emotional appeal.
When is the horseshoe shifting happening?
Maybe in this week only. But which day? Maybe tomorrow or day after.
We'll have to go to the river. We'll have to go and
Samaj
park ourselves
ourselves.
in the river. We can put the horseshoe over
So you are
us.
putting all the people's
Over
lives at
us. We will
risk.
not let it
All
pass.
the people, being it a resident or the fishing community. You are saying you are talking about 112 meters long ship. You know how far they are going to put their anchors? 100 meters long. So the total area will be covered around 300 or 400 meters,
We are inviting disaster.
which completely objects people from Vere to see Panjim.
Mr. Captain of Ports, if you have the conscience, please stop it.
Yes.
And do not destroy the moral fabric of our
It is just
society.
not the vessel. It is just
You have the
not the
conscience.
vessel.
Give,
You are a government servant.
give
You
him
are
a
a servant.
suggestion. 1 second. Give him a suggestion. Yeah.
It
1
is just
minute.
not the vessel, it will be those feeder boats also from the other side, Resma goes.
So
They
you
will
have-
cross from that to till the middle of Resma Mandovi. So that is also going to cause a lot of issues in the river. As it is, the river is spoiled. You are
So you
aware of
have
it. You are
powers,
saying it in your words, but you are not acting
No,
against
no.
it.
So what we are asking, 1 second, 1 second.
No, I think
Can-
you
please
killed
tell
that
us.
river. You have really killed our river. And
Yeah.
that's the biggest sin you could commit.
Yeah,
Killing our
okay.
Yes.
river.
Now
That's
next
the
what?
biggest sin.
Now next what? What we are saying, you have the powers not to allow the ship to come in the river. Say the people have come to you, we have made a representation and that there is objection to the river, so let the government take a stand. We will also go to the government, we will talk, we will...
Which
Yes,
is not
we have given you a
not shifting the
letter.
horseshoe first.
Yeah.
Please
Sir,
don't
we are
shift the
waiting
horseshoe,
since
huh?
24th October.
Otherwise
We had
have to
invited
do
a
something.
memorandum calling out the
Yeah.
people's meet and discuss.
Yeah,
And
please don't
for
sit
that
down.
letter, we haven't got any intimation as yet. Also, this letter was made to you on 27th of January, and today is 11th of February. No, we haven't received anything. I myself went and checked in the panchayat yesterday, And that's how I'm come here.
No.
We haven't received anything.
Give him a copy.
These are all
He
games.
replied, right?
Sir,
Give him a copy.
yes,
I will not tell a lie. Give him a copy later.
You say a lot of things, sir, but I would request you act on it. Whatever you say, you act on it. Don't just state it like, my job is at stake.
So
one person you are putting lakhs of people.
You're talking about a job. Now you're talking about a job. See here, I have come here. Okay, I was working with the bus club. Okay, I was a technical manager over there. Looking after in Singapore, based in Singapore, Konkani, and the whole fleet was under me. Okay, I had come because there was a request because of one board which was there, River Princess, which is in over there.
Yes.
So please come, and I just came and gave that interview, and they immediately selected me. So from that time I'm here, okay, and I have worked for our citizens. I have not done this thing, and it is not that people are just just waiting for me to come there. It is not that because I'm afraid of my job. You give me the thing if you want. I just signed the resignation also. No.
No,
Sir, we are not
We
asking
are
for-
just
Sir, we are not asking.
I'm not here defending my job.
No, we are not asking for your resignation.
I'm
We
here
only ask
only
you.
I'm trying to see what
Yeah,
best
that's,
I can
I
help
think we
you.
should discuss.
We ask you
One
to only
second, one
defer.
second.
Yeah.
We are
Please, we ask
discussing.
you to defer the incoming this. Keep it outside.
I will push it in. See, if you are stopping it, very good, no problem. Oh, I got nothing to do.
Yeah, so
keep
can
it
we
in the sea.
discuss how sir can intervene to stop?
Yeah.
Let us give us suggestions.
Okay.
Can you tell us what powers you have to do the needful? And
Madam,
so accordingly we
at
will
present,
do.
at
Yeah.
present, if they don't have the service certificates and documents with them, no, I cannot allow them inside. I will not allow.
Okay.
That is the main thing which the central government, anybody will just support me in this matter.
Okay.
So even besides that, so what I'm saying is right now you just maintain a status quo. Even that horseshoe, nothing shifts anywhere right now. Because we are going to court. We are definitely going to court. We are going to agitate on the streets. We are going to take this to another level. Because really this is too much.
And if you're
This
taking
has
care of
become
the
a joke. They
river,
are taking us for
people
granted.
are going to enter the river and see that the casino doesn't come in. That is very clear. So
You all have given a representation, no?
we have given a
Yeah, so that
representation.
sir will put it up to the.
I will put it up to the
On-
because
on
time
behalf
is
of
up,
the
yes,
speak.
because if you
I'm
say
also-
coming tomorrow
I'm
and
also
day
part of
after.
Panjim.
Yes.
And I'm also.
You should not get ships on the horseshoe.
So 1 minute.
We'll actually go into the river. I'm
Yeah,
telling you
no, no,
that.
no.
But
But-
now that
No, no,
the
no,
boat will be shifted.
Understand, yeah, I'm just saying a few things.
Sir, can you
As far-
introduce yourself for the
I'm
others?
constantly to this, I'm radio of this department.
Yeah.
I'm also a drama resident. Yeah, so whatever affects me also. In sir's favor, I'll only say about this much. What? That he tries his best in many ways to keep this river
Clean.
in the condition that it is quite clean. I'm just saying, or whatever it is.
Sir,
But there are certain responses.
One minute, let him
Looking at
speak,
time,
no?
But he has got certain restraints also, because he is the technical head over here. He is not the administrative head of the port totally. Designation, yes, but there is certain things like a casino. It has got home department. Lot of departments are involved. So it's not only him, but like I'm saying, you all want this thing. Sir will cooperate with you all. Whatever you all have given this thing representation, we will put it up to the government, and we will go by what is this thing. He will help you definitely. That much I can tell you. Yeah. And if the rivers are today, I'm just telling you all since you all are here. If today the rivers are protected now, if the rivers are protected now, it is because of us only, not because of anybody else. You all know the rivers were nationalized, right? 6 rivers were nationalized.
Listen to this.
Yeah, I want to tell you that I personally, and even sir, for 3 years we fought with the center. I had so much opposition, for this. If you come privately, I will give you all the documentation to prove how we fought and got the jurisdiction back to Goa. Otherwise, there is not a single state. All the rivers, Mandovi, Zuari, Chapora, Mapsa, Kubarjua, all 6 rivers.
Great.
Yeah, anytime you all want to know, I know most of you all I know. I'm not telling you any lies. Come and sit with me. I will explain to you what we have done to get the jurisdiction back.
Yes.
Now, we have done it. I have been here for 20 years. Last 10 years, I have managed it. Now we have to make sure that it remains forever, that jurisdiction, that no power takes it away.
Project it has gone.
Yeah, see, that is different, madam. Yeah. But what I'm trying to say is that to Sir's credit, the full jurisdiction of the rivers of Goa, which was in the center by the Nationalization of River Act 2016, has been brought back. And this is the only state in India which has managed that. And that is because of what we have done. And really our department has worked.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now is the time to stop the casinos.
So what I'm saying is, you're given a representation.
On that point, we also want you to continue to fight, because in the CZLP draft that has gone out, they have shown port limits all across Goa. Okay, so we need your cooperation in that.
One big task you have, sir. Stop that 112 meters boat coming into the
Whatever capacity.
I will just send today.
whatever from our side we have to do, we have done. Now it is upon you to act.
So do we have your assurance that the horseshoe will not be shifted in the next 2 days?
Madam, actually the whole this thing we have already given to them as per the approval of the government. I don't know what is taken.
So please take it back to the government. One second,
Just approach the. This thing.
we will approach the
Please,
government.
please.
No, we are already approaching, but since you have the immediate power, with one phone call you can stop that boat from moving.
Yeah, but
and you're saying that you're going to take it up to the next level. So you call them, stop that boat from moving, tell them I'm taking it up to the next level. Based on that direction, then you can move.
Because
Simple as
what
that.
happened,
That
one
much
boat
is
is already I taken it out now. It's already gone out. They are executing that same plan now. That's the thing.
Let it remain.
So
out.
what? Let it
Because we want, so our demand, I mean, from the women's movement and ours, right from the time the amendment came for permission for offshore casinos, we have been asking the government to repeal the amendment which allows casinos. Okay, so instead of taking that step, now that is not happening, but at least when till the repeal of the amendment happens, do not allow proliferation of casinos. That is our present demand. That is what we are asking.
Just to confirm, which is the one that is going out?
Floated.
And the one that you're shifting is the
Captain of
horseshoe.
ports.
What's the capacity of the
Yeah.
casino? This is coming new one.
It's an entire city.
Yeah.
And the old one?
Old one is around 390 something.
390 and 2000.
8 times more.
So now which higher ups you want us to
Home
Home
department.
department?
So
Chief
when you say
Minister
that,
and, so no, we want to know the hierarchy.
yeah. So where do you
we
get your
have,
instructions?
we have gone to this.
Minister or any other department? So you get a direction from the minister to take these actions.
Minister is Home Minister or Chief Minister.
Home Minister or
Our
Ports
minister,
Minister?
you can our minister.
Ports Minister, Mr. Digambar Kamal.
So we
So like this casino issue, because it is with the home also, so it goes to the.
So we have to, Mr. Digambar Kamath is the Minister for Ports, so we will approach him, and the Home Department also has to give permission.
Yes.
So the Chief Minister is the Home Minister, main department. So these two representatives we will meet. So we are meeting all the authorities, right,
That's
from
good, yeah.
CCP, MLA to the ministers, Chief Minister. We will meet everybody.
In the meantime,
And
don't
thank
allow
you.
anything to come in.
That also I will just put
We
it.
are banking on
And
you.
thank you for giving us an audience, because many
Yes.
people don't want
Actually,
to.
I told I was busy, so I
Yeah.
immediately came and called him.
So
Please come.
when you do all this licensing work, when they approach you, the casino department, the authorities, so do you intimate the CCP about anything in regards to this? Do you take their consideration while when you give them
What about
consent
their parking?
from the
No.
authorities' consent in terms of parking, the
sewage,
yes, everything.
Garbage man.
Sewage and all garbage is not there.
Signage.
No, that sewage, garbage and all, anybody who is, the boats are operating there, they are supposed to land their
supposed
sewage.
to.
So
They are
What
supposed
about
to.
they don't
You don't seek their
They dump all the
clarification.
sewage in the river.
You
are not.
I'm telling you.
Sir, I am telling you.
Okay,
One
what we will do,
at a time.
what we will do.
Yeah, one-
I
one-
want one of your member, okay, come and see how the flow of sewage is there. Okay, I will do it. You remain silent, don't show why you have come. Okay, you just have to go there along with this thing.
Release the sewage into the river. Do you know that?
No.
Of course.
So now,
Of course, we know that.
No, that's not true.
For
You
no
also send your
reason,
person.
the river is not stinking so badly.
Sir, you also send your person one day,
Yeah.
midnight, when I am from the fishing community. I myself go deep in the sea during midnight, during the low tide, to get clams. Okay, we have seen our naked eyes. It's just not me. The whole community knows what the casino people are doing. They are just throwing, leaving the sewage out in the river Mandavi.
I will tell you.
So, like you said, you want one of us to come with you.
Yes, please.
Also, we would call you midnight. You or your person can come with us.
We have a person.
In the canoe, and we'll show you the dirt, how it looks.
There are NIs also.
But
Yes,
sir,
for scientific purpose.
Yeah, one at a time, please. Yeah.
Only don't tell them that you are coming.
Yes.
Don't tell them.
Yes.
We never tell them. I never tell them.
So the RTI that I got on casinos, the number of tankers that are going to the sewage department doesn't tally with the capacity of the sewage. Yeah, so maybe some tankers are going, but most of it is not going to the sewage treatment plant.
And the simple evidence of that, jellyfish do not survive in fresh water. But Mandavi River is full of jellyfish today because they have constant food supply from the casinos.
So, sir, the report from NIO says from 2012 till 2025.
I implement this marpole. I'm totally against this. If they are, because see what I'm seeing, every now and then we are sealing that, and there is a seal number which is kept over there. And the next day when they go to open it, the officer from the pollution control board, our official, we go there, remove that seal and log it down. Every time. Seal, you have to break that.
That is the official.
Procedure.
That is the official.